a giraffe and a zebra when you look at it.
Yeah.
But it's basically a mini zebra. Excuse me, mini giraffe. It's got the same tongue and same head as a giraffe.
It's not the same.
But it has a striped lower body.
And then it's
really
that could have been nasty.
Like a made up fucking no man's
Prius
sky
going.
animal. They're the best. They're the best.
Oh, and they just decided to put its hazard lights on.
Definitely look like they were generated by no man's sky.
I don't know how I thought
Jeez,
that.
mini
That's
cars.
absolutely right. But of course, they're
There's a face cancer, and they're fighting back from it because of this shit.
Yes. Then you research.
Tasmanian devils went from.
Let me tell you.
Fucking idiot.
What's that?
There's f***ing double lines there. What?
Will you stop for this red light? No! No, 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 no! Jump onto the pavement. Will you stop for the red light? No! Jump onto the pavement.
He's an idiot, he's an idiot.
Just close the window. Someone's in a rush.
Get off your phone, mate. 6 points, £200 fine if you get caught by the cops.
A few moments later.
Is that it? Get Whiskey Golf 10, Golf Victor. Okay.
Also coming up after the news, UK growth will be 3 times as fast as Germany's. Yes, you did hear that correctly. 7:31. You're listening to Breakfast.
What's going on there? Hazard lights were sat on. You broken down?
GPs are working beyond.
Oh no, you're picking people up?
With some openly making mistakes.
At traffic lights. Alright, okay. I think this bus is going to be very happy in a minute.
As they should. Liverpool have backs in Champions League.
going so slow? Yeah.
Two lanes, you silly bitch.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Speed camera. Yeah. Slowed down in time, didn't you? Just not enough.
Jump that light.
Dear anymore. I said make that your pockets so you say that it won't back. Open.
Shitting Peugeot.
That milk. You got still. But I know that. Turn the tip. I said make that.
Yeah, I know.
Do you know what was? Do you want to come right in front of me? Just cut the corner like a complete knobhead.
You want to be a rule taker because you don't want to be rule takers from the.
Oh, Amy went.
Is that a guy on a unicycle?
Yes, it is.
What's happened there? See that?
I've seen him post that. Talk shit, get hit.
Aww.
And so he ends up going to violence at all in a physical confrontation. But when you say
Go on, then.
talk shit, get hit, and then not just run away, you end up filing a civil lawsuit against
not
that
the best
individual.
place to cross, though, is it really?
You're not just a hip.
No, they decided to park on a corner. Don't necessarily think that's probably the best place to park, but they're parked on a corner.
What's the button?
Ah, it's Pizza
Oh, it's
Man.
Pizza Man.
Pizza Man.
He will only be there for 2 seconds. He doesn't care.
Leave your car wherever, it doesn't matter.
Gymnasts on the programme and
Track of the day today is called I Hate You, I Love You.